Hi! Welcome to AgriEuro's YouTube channel. First, we will explain the product's main features. Then we will walk you through the assembly steps, making it easier for you to assemble the product on your own. Please note that AgriEuro is the only e-commerce allowing a full supply of spare parts for the entire life of your product. We offer full support for both repairs and service thanks to a Maxi repair shop on site or through one of our 400 partner service centers scattered throughout Europe. Now, let's explore our product key features. The BullMach FALX 600 B&S petrol mower is designed to ensure efficiency and reliability in maintaining uncultivated land and areas with tall grass or weeds. Equipped with a B&S CR950 4-stroke engine, with a displacement of 208 cubic centimeters and a nominal power of 6.5 horsepower, it delivers high performance and extended autonomy even on challenging surfaces. The cutting width of 60 centimeters allows for wide coverage with each pass, reducing working time and optimizing productivity, especially on medium-sized terrains. The cutting rotor features 48 serrated blades divided into groups of 3, a configuration that ensures effective and uniform shredding of vegetation. The maximum cutting height of 60 centimeters enables precise management even under complex conditions. With 2 forward gears and 1 reverse gear, the mower offers superior maneuverability, while the neutral gear function allows the machine to be moved without starting the engine, providing added convenience. Now for the product assembly guide. Visit our official website AgriEuro and check out our offers. Click on the link in the description below to learn more.